And candidates. Welcome to CadBench. In this video, we are going to see a demo about AutoCAD software. So AutoCAD software is mainly used to do 2D diagrams of mechanical, civil, and then electrical. In civil, we are going to draw layouts, 2D elevations by using AutoCAD software. In electrical, we are going to see how to draw a 2D circuit, PCB circuits, and MEP circuits. In mechanical, how to draw a orthographic views of a project. Okay. So here, if I open AutoCAD first, this window will be appeared. And if I click start drawing, I can proceed my project. Before that, I can access recently drawn documents by us. Okay. Before clicking start drawing, I can choose which template I want. Templates are used to implement the settings. I'm going to choose ACAD template because this template is having 0 settings. I need to implement all my settings. I can create a own template which settings I have want. Okay. So I will teach later. Right? I'm going to choose a CAD template. First of all, I will explain the user interface of this AutoCAD. So this is application menu bar. In this application menu bar, new drawing sheet command, and the open command, save as command, and import command. Import command is used to convert a PDF file into CAD file, and export command is used to convert the CAD file into PDF file or else VW file. And mail publish tools and printout tools are the these commands will be here also, new, open, save as, but it's in icon basis, right? So it will be called the speak as bar. This is my command manager. In this command manager, draw ribbon, modify ribbon, annotation ribbon, and layers ribbons in paper. This is my view. It will be useful to change my viewpoint. And this is my navigation path. It will use to pan the screen, zoom in, zoom out the screens. Okay. This is my command line. If I give a shortcuts, the feedbacks will be shown here. So it's the use of command line. If I want to hide this command line, I can give control line. It will be automatically hidden. And if I give control line again, it will be automatically shown. We will teach around 100 to 120 commands in AutoCAD. Okay. So there's a status bar. In the status bar, which command is in on, auto is in on, or auto is in off. So status bar is used to show which command is on, which command is in off condition. Okay. So fine. In this draw command, so before going to draw, I need to implement 3 settings first. First of all, I need to set the unit, in which unit I'm going to draw, and need to set limit. Need to set the limit. Okay. So limits is used to set the screen size. Okay. Need to set zoom. Then after I need to draw. In this draw command, circle, rectangles, slide commands will be there. I can use these commands and then draw with whatever I want. If I want to move this or else copy this, I can go for modify commands. In modify commands, move, copy, rotate, array commands will be there. And point, divide, extra commands will be there. Okay. Annotation commands. So annotation bar is used to give text and give dimensions for my diagrams. Layers is used to create a layer, and by using layer, I can choose the line type, color, and thickness also. Blocks are used for create reusable contents. It will be very useful in electrical and civil. We can create my symbols or reusable contents. You don't need to draw again and again. So properties are there to change the text properties, dimension properties, and utilities commands are there to measure my diagrams after finishing that. And in import, I can change the PDF into a CAD file automatically, and I can insert an image by using paste special option. So in AutoCAD, we will teach from basics to advanced. There are the course outcomes. I can use this is a mechanical sheet metal diagram by using AutoCAD. This is a part diagram. And this is a electrical circuit diagram. And this is a concrete and then steel structure diagrams out there. And this is also electrical circuit diagrams. So here are the course outputs. So don't need to worry about course outputs. We will teach from basics to advanced, and we will teach everything regarding industrial influence. So if you have any queries, you can kindly contact the below number and you can mail us. Thank you.